You work hard, you get paid, but somehow, you're still broke. Here's the brutal truth they don't teach you in school. Meet Alex. Every Monday through Friday, Alex wakes up at 6 a.m., commutes an hour, works 8 hours, sometimes more, and every 2 weeks, that paycheck hits the account. Feels good, right? Wrong. Because here's what happens next. Rent takes a third, bills take another chunk, food, gas, that subscription you forgot to cancel. By the end of the month, Alex is back to zero, or worse. But Alex isn't lazy. Alex isn't bad with money. Alex is stuck in a trap. Here's the problem. A salary is designed to do one thing: keep you alive enough to work tomorrow. Double quotes, think about it. You trade your time for money, but there's only so much time. Only 24 hours in a day. Even if you get a raise from 50,000 to 60,000, your taxes go up, your lifestyle inflates, you're still on the same wheel. Meanwhile, there's another person. Let's call them Sam. Sam makes the same salary as Alex, but Sam does something different. Instead of spending everything, Sam buys things that make money while Sam sleeps. Stocks, rental property, a side business, index funds. These things work 24/7. This is the secret. Rich people don't work for money. They make money work for them. Fast forward 10 years. Alex got promoted twice. Makes 80,000 now. Still living paycheck to paycheck. Sam still makes 60,000 at the job, but Sam's investments now generate 40,000 a year without lifting a finger. That's the difference between working for money and owning assets. Your salary is a tool, not a destination. The people who win, they use their salary to buy freedom. Not a bigger car, not a fancier apartment. Freedom. The freedom to choose, to say no, to take risks. Character. Breaking free from hamster wheel. So, here's what you do. Step 1. Keep the salary. You need it. Step 2. Live below your means, even just a little. Step 3. Take that gap and buy assets. Start small. $50 a month, 100, doesn't matter. What matters is you started. Because 10 years from now, you'll either be Alex before or Alex after. Your salary will never make you rich, but what you do with it, that will. Start today. Your future self will thank you.